So it's 1 minute past 5. That means that the campaigning in Bihar for the second phase has officially ended now. And now the silence period begins. So the Bihar campaigning for the phase 2 has ended now, and 48 hours of silence period has begun. All the parties had brought down their big guns for the last day of campaigning today. Now the race for 122 seats in 20 districts of Bihar has begun. Now people will be soon voting for their representatives. It was a high voltage campaign that we saw where the big guns were on the streets, holding rallies. Rahul Gandhi, Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah, Tejasvi Yadav and other star campaigners were brought in from other states as well. But now it is all with the voters of Bihar. They have to decide who they're going to choose. Many accusations have been made by the opposition and many by Prime Minister Modi on the RJD as well. But who is actually going to get the government of Bihar? That is for the Bihari voters to decide. And joining us right now is India Today's Amit Bharadwaj from Sasaram. Amit Bharadwaj, that was also a location for one of the big political rallies. Do tell us, what is the mood? Campaigning has ended. What were the big messages given out today?
Well, Anjali, absolutely right. The silence period has started in Bihar, and that also brings complete halt to the campaign and rallies and street corners that were being done by both sides, be it the NDA or the India Bloc or Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. In Sasaram, you had Home Minister Amit Shah actually holding a big rally in support of the RLM, that is Upinder Kushwaha's party, as well as his wife, Snehlata in Sasaram, and that's when Home Minister Amit Shah in fact went on to bring Ghuspaitiya angle in this election. So possibly I think that was the one time when you had HM speaking about as to how Rahul Gandhi, and he made certain allegations to which we will see as to how Mahagathbandhan Netas respond to, because he said Rahul Gandhi and Lalu's son, he did not take Tejasvi's name, held a rally in Bihar, Yatra in Bihar, and they were trying to protect the infiltrators. And on the other side, the BJP will ensure not a single infiltrator is able to live in Bihar and in the country. So that was kind of allegations that were made in the final round of campaign by the top gun from the NDA in support of Snehlata Kushwaha of the Rashtriya Lok Morcha. On the other side, you had Tejasvi Yadav holding several, sabhas in the colleges or grounds because he's the sole star campaigner for the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar. You had Rahul Gandhi holding rallies in support of the Congress party candidates. But it was eventually for Tejasvi Yadav to hold the fort for Mahagathbandhan, and that's why what we saw all through past week is that Tejasvi going to rally, holding 5 to 7 minutes of speech and then taking the chopper for the next destination. What is to be seen out here is that while the heart of Patliputra, if you look at the map, the first phase, 121 seats that were in the electoral fray, it was actually in the middle of Bihar, and now you have areas such as Champaran, Simanchal or Sasaram area, or those adjoining Jharkhand around Jamui, which will be going for polls, 122 seats which will go for polls.
Right.